requirements needed to run Windows 11. A processor running at 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores. A 64-bit processor or system on a chip with a RAM of 4 GB or larger and an internal storage with 64 GB or larger. It is also required for the Microsoft to have two settings called Secure Boot and TPM 2.0. If you do not have these two settings on your Microsoft, you will not be able to install Windows 10 in your device easily. What is Secure Boot? Well, Secure Boot is a feature in a computer software that controls which operating system are allowed to be active. It has advantage and disadvantage. The good thing is that it prevents malware from taking over your machine, while the bad thing is that it might stop you from installing the second operating system. Meanwhile, TPM or Trusted Platforms Module are a small device known as Secure Crypto Processor, in which their mandatory is on Windows machine since 2016. The good thing about this TPM is that they can prevent cyber attack, wherein they can also allow outside parties to see when you make some certain change to your computer. You can also restrict the kind of software that you want to run in your computer. According to Microsoft, it is better if you run these two settings in your computer software to your device more secure. On the other hand, there are few popular models of laptop in which Windows 11 run, like Dell XPS 13 or HP Spectre, the new model of Lenovo ThinkPad, and the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro and others.
How to acquire Windows 11? There are 3 ways to acquire Windows 11. First is just go to Setting, then go to Update and Security, then go to Windows Update and click Check for Update. You will see Feature Update to Windows 11. Click Download and Install. Second way is by using Windows 11 Installation Assistant. You need to download Assistant and click Run and make sure your hardware is compatible. Then accept and install to agree the license terms and begin the installation.
And the third way to acquire the Windows 11 is to download the ISO file of the Windows 11 from Microsoft site in the internet. To download the ISO file, go to site called Microsoft.com, then search the Windows 11 this image. Then when you search it, download Windows 11 this image or ISO. Choose the Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Choose the language for the Windows. Choose the English International. And last, click the 64-bit download. That's all for the way to acquire the Windows 11.
Good day everyone, my name is Mikka Enriquez and I will teach you the first thing to do before installing the Windows 11. Before installing the Windows 11 is to make a boot table USB using Rufus, and in order to make the boot table USB using Rufus is the following. Download first the Rufus application in the internet. Install the application, open the Rufus application, click the select button to select the iOS file. Choose the MBR partition scheme and then click Start button to start the process. After the booting process, the installation of the Windows 11 will be the next step. To install the Windows 11, please follow the following steps. Turn off your computer and open it afterwards. Click or delete button to go to the BIOS menu. In the BIOS menu, select the USB as first priority. After that, is click F12 to save. The PC will restart and it will load up installation process. After loading up the installation process, select your language and fill up the other preference and click the Next button. Click the Install Now button that will appear in the screen. After clicking the Install Now button, the setup will start. Wait to finish the setup. It will last up to 15 minutes, depends on PC.
Hi, my name is Cedrick and I will continue the discussion about installing Windows 11. On the next screen, you will have two options, Upgrade Mode and the Custom Mode. Upgrade Mode is to keep your files, settings, and application, while the Custom Mode, which is to install the Windows only. In this option, all files, settings, and application will be deleted. And now, the first step is we will choose the custom mode and then click Next button to proceed. Next is choose drive where you want to install the Windows, then click Next button. Then the Windows setup will start. It will take up to 10 minutes depending on the PC. After that, the PC will restart and then the setting up on the Windows 11 will appear. Choose your country or region, then click Yes. Choose your keyboard layout and then click Yes. Then click the Skip button if you don't want to add another keyboard layout. The PC will check for update in the background. Then the screen will appear to name your PC. Name your PC, then click Next. After the naming process, the greeting screen will appear. Then you can sign in your Microsoft account and click Next. Next, choose the privacy settings for you to share with Microsoft and click Accept. Click Next if you want to customize your Windows and click the Skip button if you want to skip. And it is done. That is the whole process of installing Windows 11. Thank you.